heard about new ingestible and implantable devices that help with drug delivery and medical sensing applications in the human body, but one of the primary problems is always power. Because you need power, you need a battery, and as a result, the devices can be cumbersome. I mean, still not as bad as the original pacemaker though. Yeah, that sucks. Researchers from MIT have found a way to wirelessly power devices that are inside of you. And we're not talking about something just beneath the surface, but deep inside of you, up to 10 centimeters. The researchers, working in collaboration with scientists from Brigham and Women's Hospital, have created and tested these tiny prototypes that are about the size of a grain of rice. But the researchers think that they can make them even smaller. The implants are powered by radio frequency waves, and then power devices to deliver drugs, monitor conditions, or even treat diseases by stimulating the brain with electricity or light. Treats like Parkinson's disease or epilepsy. The waves can safely pass through human tissue, and in tests with animals, they could charge devices up to 10 centimeters deep from a distance of 1 meter. I mean, if it's closer to the surface, they can be powered from up to 38 meters away. In the past, the radio waves would dissipate as they pass through the body and be too weak to supply enough power. The researchers developed the in vivo networking system. It works by sending radio waves at different frequencies across a wide area. This allows the system to also power multiple sensors at once and work as a communication beacon as well. Right now, batteries are still the largest component in implantable devices. With this work and the potential of wireless power, we could one day see battery-free pacemakers. I mean, you just might have to sit in your Tesla while it's wirelessly charging in the garage. I mean, I'm sure they're gonna come up with a way for furniture to double as a charging station. I mean, that is a creepy reality. Hold on. Oh, nope, just need to take a minute. There we go. The researchers are now working on making the power delivery more efficient and working over greater distances. The technology could also improve industrial RFID applications like inventory control and smart environments. The Russian military was looking for a way to increase machine gun efficiency. So they went to Front Tactical Systems, the type of company that you visit when you're looking for something like increasing machine gun efficiency. However, its origins are a little suspect. Front Tactical's solution is called the Scorpio, and new images have surfaced that show a Russian soldier testing the ammunition-feeding backpack attached to a PKM heavy machine gun. Now, the system does bear a striking resemblance to a similar backpack-fed machine gun that a US Army soldier invented back in 2011. The Army actually worked up a prototype that they called the Iron Man, which actually isn't the only Iron Man prototype under development with the Army, but this Iron Man has been MIA since 2014. According to Task and Force, a couple of commercial versions have been manufactured for special forces and contractors. Most notably, the Huron Miko Machine Gunner Assault Pack, which has also been around prior to the Iron Man. But, you know, they also haven't been too popular because they have a $4,000 price tag. According to Task and Force, the Scorpio, which retails for about $1,000, is a knockoff of the Miko pack. According to a source, the Miko was actually modified to work with a PKM on the show Sons of Guns. A Russian national actually got a hold of one of the packs and copied the design. I mean, gotta watch that IP, even on reality TV. Something I never thought I'd say, just every week. The Netherlands is home to a number of creations that blend modern design, art, and architecture. While Amsterdam is home to the MX3D 3D-Printed bridge, Eindhoven may soon be home to Project Milestone, an affordable housing project made up of 5 3D-printed houses that look like giant stones. I mean, either that or someone leaked concept work for the Flintstones reboot. Which, if it's that, I mean, it looks promising. Can we get Goodman back? Can we get Goodman back? He's available. A lot of interesting structural 3D printing work is coming out of the Eindhoven University of Technology. They were among the first to create 3D printed houses using large format printers that use concrete, and they were also the first ones to figure out how to 3D print homes and structures and keep the concrete from collapsing. Now, according to an article out of New Atlas, Project Milestone will be the first 3D printed homes that will actually be used. Up until now, most of the projects have been proof of concept or prototypes. Project Milestone already has a developer, a real estate manager, and a 5-year plan that has the first tenants in a 3D printed home by 2019. The first boutique home will have a total floor space of 1,022 square feet, including a living room, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, bathroom, and a storeroom. That's a kitchen and a bathroom. I said it kind of quick. It's not a kitchen bath. Weird. The idea is to build one, learn from their mistakes, and speed up production on the other 4. The initial structures will be printed in a shop and then transported to the site, where they'll be topped off with a roof, have windows installed, and have electricity installed as well. The teams hope to print the 5th home on the site. The actual price is not available, but you have to assume that when they say it is affordable housing, that's all in the eye of the beholder. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design. Just a dab will do you. Powder! Yeah, that was a mistake. And trying!